Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I share with you how to cook 3 yummy recipes for Nigerian African mukbang. So what are we making with king prawns, snails? Keep watching and find out. Let's dive into it, everyone. So first, for the first recipe, in a clean pot, I will transfer freshly washed 1 kilo of goat meat, then 1 stockfish head, 1 dry fish after washing, and to season it, I will add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of seasoning, and 1 freshly chopped bulb onions, and then I'll add freshly blended onions and pepper, and then I will cover to simmer on a medium flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, everyone, I take a turning stick, gently flip to the other side, and then add water and allow to cook on a medium flame for 35 minutes. Hello, we are making 3 yummy recipes for Nigerian African mukbang. So don't go away, everyone. Keep watching and see if this yummy recipes is good for you for your mukbang. So after 35 minutes, I added enough quantity of water according to the quantity of soup I want to make. And next I add my freshly blended yellow chili pepper. I love yellow chili pepper, everyone. I can do without. So next I add 1 teaspoon of salt and allow to cook on a high flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you see the soup water is bubbling. At this point, I add 4 tablespoons of crayfish. Add crayfish according to your taste and allow to cook on a high flame for 10 minutes. While that is aside, on a clean pot, after I place it to get hot, I add 150 ml everyone of palm oil, and when it gets hot, I will add my ogbono and allow and begin to use a turning stick to mix on a medium low flame till all lumps disappear. After that, I set it aside, and here our soup water and all ingredients has boiled very well. So next, I begin to pour my already mixed ogbono into the pots, the mixed stock and everything. I will do this step by step until I get the consistency that I want. Whoa, everyone, you see this bubbling. This is a very delicious, yummy recipe for your mukbang. For those who love to do mukbang, this is a very yummy recipe. Ogbono soup, it goes well with any swallow, pounded yam, fufu. So this is number 1 recipe. Let's go on for the number 2 recipe. What are we cooking, everyone? Keep watching and don't go away, and don't forget to thumbs up. So for the second recipe, the meat, the goat meat, the cow skin, king prawn, everything is cut and it is already boiled. As you see, this is the way I cut my mama or cow skin. Then I have some fresh cooked stuffed fish, and here's my king prawn. I used the dry one, so you could use a fresh one to cook this. And then here goes the snail. I'm eyeing it already, everyone. I wish you could see the look on my face. I stare at that as I stare at that snail. So let's dive into cooking. So you notice there is no single water on the pots already. So after allowing it to cook again for 5 minutes on a medium flame, it is dried enough. So next, I'll go ahead and add my fish. This fish is known as banla in Nigeria. It is already deboned. And next, I'll add my freshly chopped water leaf. If you don't know what water leaf looks like, I will leave a link on one of the first link at the description box where I started how to make a vegetable soup from the scratch. I plucked out the water leaf. Next, I will add my palm oil and then go in with blended crayfish, that is dry plum, 4 tablespoonfuls. Use according to your taste. And next, I will cover and allow to cook on medium to high flame for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And after that, this is what the soup is looking like. It's not yet cooked, so don't go away and keep watching, and don't forget to thumbs up. And at this point, I'm putting back the snail. I took it away off camera so it doesn't overcook, everyone. So next, here is my freshly chopped ugu leaf, that is pumpkin leaf, and oziza leaf. So I will add and use a turning stick, mix to combine, mix until everything blends together on a medium to low flame. I'll mix it just for a minute. It is vegetable soup, so it does not need to overcook. Look at that, so yummy. It goes well with pounded yam, fufu, any swallow of your choice. Tell me at the comment section, is this yummy recipe now good for your mukbang? Alright, keep watching. We have a third recipe for our African Nigerian mukbang. This is a very, very delicious recipe you could use for your mukbang. So let's dive into the third recipe. Yeah, so in a pot already I have freshly washed goat's meat, and then I'll go ahead and add my freshly washed snail. Next, freshly chopped cow skin or omo, and 1 dry asa fish. Next, I will go ahead and add 1 freshly chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and my freshly blended habanero pepper. This pepper is chili. It's very spicy. I mean, you could use any other pepper, but I love the taste this gives to the soup. So I will cover and allow to simmer on a medium flame. Oh there, I forgot to add my stockfish ears. We don't do with that. Alright, so I just add it and go ahead and cook. You notice I did not add any water. This soup we are making don't need extra water. So allow to simmer on a low flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you notice that the meat moistured enough. So it has enough water, natural water from the meat, to cook everything, to bring it to a cook. So doing this allows all the seasoning to get into your meat, your starfish, your fish, your snail, so it will become very tasty. So you notice the water that comes out from the meat. So at this point, I will cover to cook for another 30 minutes on a medium flame. Hello, thanks all my Jenny subscribers for your wonderful support. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to like and watch the ads. It means a lot for this channel. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to add my freshly chopped vegetable. Well, this is what happened. I thought my camera was on, but not knowing it wasn't on. So in the pot, I added water leaf, 5 teaspoons of crayfish, blended pepper, 250 ml of palm oil, everyone. It happens sometime when you're making your videos and you just thought your camera is on, not knowing it's not on. So after that, I add my yellow chili pepper. Oh, I like it spicy. If you don't like it spicy, just go with your taste. So I will cover for 10 minutes on a medium flame, everyone. And after 10 minutes, our soup is almost ready. Notice no extra water was added. Water leaf has water according to its name. Alright, so at this point, our soup it's cooked enough, so I'll go ahead and add my okazu leaf. It was pounded. You could blend yours if you have a good blender, but I love it blended. Okazu leaf will be added after I just added this snail. I always take away my snail so it doesn't overcook in the soup, you know. So at this point, I'm adding my okazi leaf. It's already freshly pounded okazi leaf, and after adding it, I will take a turning stick and begin to mix gradually to blend together for 2 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. Everyone, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to tell me what you think about this video. Yeah, I add more palm oil. Afan soup requires more oil, not water. So don't forget to tell me what you like about this video. Is this recipe is good for mukbang? Alright, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video, and bye for now.